Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. If you're looking for a compact speaker that punches way above its size, delivers premium sound, and can handle real-life adventure, meet the brand new JBL Flip 7 JBL S 2025 refresh that brings even more power and smarts to its iconic portable speaker line. Let's start with sound because that's where the speaker shines. The Flip 7 is loaded with JBL's Bold Pro sound, which means rich mids, crisp highs, and surprisingly deep bass for its size. But now, with AI Sound Boost, it automatically adjusts output in real time to match your environment, delivering consistent, powerful sound whether you're in a quiet room or a noisy park. Battery life: a full 16 hours of playtime on a single charge, which means it can easily handle full-day outings, from hikes to parties to beach hangs. And when it's time to juice up, USB-C gets you back in action fast. What makes the Flip 7 stand out even more is its IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating, and it's drop-proof too, so it's ready for the beach, the trails, or the pool. Rain, sand, spills, or drops, the speaker was built to survive. And let's talk design. JBL introduced a clever push-lock system with interchangeable accessories. Clip it to your backpack, hang it on your bike, or mount it wherever your journey takes you. It's fully modular, making the Flip 7 not just portable but truly customizable. Connectivity is reliable and rock solid with Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring seamless pairing and lower latency. And of course, it supports PartyBoost, so you can pair it with other JBL speakers to amplify the vibe. The Flip 7 stays true to what made the series so iconic: rugged, reliable sound, but upgrades it with smart features, better AI tuning, and a whole new level of versatility. If you're ready for a next-gen Bluetooth speaker that's as smart and tough as it is fun, the JBL Flip 7 is calling your name. Check the link in the description for current pricing and deals, and if you're into gear that moves with you, don't forget to like, subscribe to Gadgetverse, and ring that bell for more real-world tech reviews.